Start off by removing the engine bay cover and disconnecting the top right fuel line by the coolant tank and letting the car run till it dies. Then after, disconnect the battery. After that, go unplug and remove the turbo inlets and the intakes and pull them off the car so you have space to work. You will then need to disconnect the other side of the fuel line that connects to the TU pump. Now get the short new line provided and connect the 5/16 side to the TU pump. Now to the 3/8 side, connect it to the E85 sensor once you have applied fitting lube on both sides of the E85 sensor before you attach the fuel lines. The white part of the E85 sensor must facing towards the ECU. Then connect the 5/16 plug to the stock line that's coming out by the coolant tank where we first disconnected the fuel line. Then connect finally the 3/8 side of line to the E85 sensor. You will now need to install the long extension wire with a brown connector on one side and black connector on the other side. Connect the brown plug into the E85 sensor under the 3/8 line. Then run the line behind the coolant tank all the way into the passenger side under the wipers. Connect the black plug that you ran into to the Fuel IT Bluetooth analyzer. Now we will connect the short cable that has a brown plug and terminal connectors. You will connect the brown plug into the small plug of the Bluetooth analyzer. Then connect the ground terminal to the 12mm NUT, run the power wire terminal to the grommet of the back of the secondary ECU on the passenger side. Use positaps and connect to the third harness. Once everything is tucked away and tight, and the ECU is good, you can reconnect the battery and will now be able to pair the Fuel IT app on your phone with the ethanol sensor to receive a reading. Once you have confirmed everything is working, you can reinstall the turbo inlets and intakes, and can reinstall the engine bay cover. That's it, you're done. You can now have an accurate reading of your ethanol percentage to make sure you are abiding by the desired ethanol percentage that your tune requires.